I'll pay you.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning. It is 7:27. We just got up. I got up because the dog went upstairs. I heard it like running, and then I hear that like dingling. So I know she's up there. It's crazy. I don't know how she came up. Where's the dog?
I told you to go out and be quiet because you're gonna have noise everywhere.
And
I told you want to go out, you gotta be quiet. One peep at her, you have to.
let me see. Oh, they're here in the porch.
Well, the back of the porch, they weren't a minute ago. They're barking out there. I want to be quiet. You gotta make it bark. Huh? Good girls. Good girls.
Oh, baby ni mama. Oh, baby ni mama. No. Oh, no. Am I stinky to you? Am I stinky? I kind
of. I can put this coffee down.
Huh?
That was my own fault.
What coffee?
It's just good. So I'll be like, I can drink the coffee at my breakfast.
You're not gonna use the other one? You put that and you don't use it. I use it too, but
Yeah?
yeah. I use the other one that you got, the other one, the one that you don't like. And then I put sugar as usual mine, and then it become like a very sweet. Then I add that one. It's a sweetened thing.
They're all sweetened. You gotta be careful with sugar when you add these things.
I don't have dinner last night. I had lunch yesterday, like a lot. So anyway guys, today is Monday. I think it's 23rd. Yeah, I'm waiting for the package. But if it's today, hopefully it came before we go up to our house. Coffee here, I don't use the, it's empty here. Just need the hot water. And then I add, this is what I use every time I'm here. The Folgers, this one. That's Tammy's coffee. And that's what I'm using every time I'm here. Hi guys! Basa pa yung buhok ko guys. Mag-ano lang ako. Tanggalin ko lang to. Hi guys. I'm doing laundry. I'm doing laundry before I go, but I stopped doing it because Tammy went to the shower. And every time in this house guys, when you know it's an older house, so you're using the laundry, and oh my god, this one will gonna poke my eyes. If you go to the shower, to make story short, if you go to the shower and you're doing laundry, that means you don't get a hot water. Every winter that happens here. Rox is staring at me right now. I iron my hair guys. Yung hair ko na buhag-ag, in-iron ko na. Anyway, Rox is staring at me right now. Ang laki ng mukha ko, oy. Lumaki na kasi ako, oy. Lumaki na talaga. Hindi na mapigilan. I'm going to miss this little girl. Look at that. She's staring at me. You gonna miss me, baby? I'm going to miss you too. I'm going to miss you. I love you. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. I know. I want to bring you, but I decide not to because you don't like the travel. I rather you stay here. I don't want you to get really sick in the car. Because I love you so much. I love you very much. I love you so much, my love. Look at the camera, baby. Now, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, look at it, look at it. What is it, oh? What is it, baby? No, 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 no. I love you. Do you want some bones? Okay, let's go get some bones. Eh. But anyway, guys, ang suot ko ngayon is mataas siya. Sobrang taas. At nag-leggings lang ako. Yun lang. Okay, I put you right here, but I will close this just in case I won't drop. I will drop you.
Time 2:54.
Sure, if it drops, it'll crack right off.
Apparently hasn't made it to the kids'
Then
menu.
I have a protection here.
The Kids Live Well program was launched.
Exaggerated fat? What is the exaggerated fat?
But the study finds
Saturated.
these voluntary pledges have had little impact industry-wide.
Black is nice too, huh? But you have so many black in your life.
Correspondent John Sutton reporting. Wednesday
Huh?
time
I like black cars.
I know you do. You never own white, never?
You wanted a black car. This guy doesn't know how to drive.
No, there is in front of.
I know, but you should be zipping somewhere.
It's a woman, huh?
So, this woman don't know how to drive.
We're heading to Asian store. Very quick run. I just need to get something for us dinner.
I don't want those sticky fishes.
No, not stinky.
I don't want no other sticky fishes.
Even if the one that Wendy gave me, the stinky fish, you would love it. It's not salty at all.
Probably a slower morning commute. Temperature will be generally in the mid-30s at daybreak. Occasional rain tomorrow.
I don't know, guys, if you can see me.
Finally clears out tomorrow night.
You can get the good things.
And pretty nice weather.
Huh?
You can get the good things. They're
And
Cheetos.
light rain in central
What
Park.
Cheetos?
36 in Midtown. On the
Ah!
New York's weather station.
That's what you want? Want?
This year, make a resolution that's easy to
Oh, yes,
keep,
that's
like
much.
expanding your horizons with Jeep Grand
I'm sorry, I
Cherokee's
did
best
that.
in class 30 mpg
I get
highway.
the thing for
Make
dinner.
a resolution to spend less time on social media.
Vegetables, I told
The
you.
Jeep Cherokee and its legendary.
I'd rather keep the baby kind of cut them. Because they're small, but not as small. You want them to be big enough to know you got clamps in
Drinking
it.
in public were later dismissed. Expanding
Clam chowder, no
traffic
clams.
and transit. We have so many.
No, I see that the tomato in there. Potato. Potato.
Yeah, you haven't got all of them.
Do you have that in your recipe?
Yeah. They all have celery in it. Yeah.
Is there?
And it's celery ever made it.
I don't see any celery. Celery and what? Onion. White onion.
Onion, okay.
No, white onion if you do because yeah, clam chowder is white, huh?
I like the red onion.
I noticed that you like.
Yeah, you put, go with the flavor. You didn't go with the color.
No, the flavorful is the white one. I'm planning to do a filming today, guys, when we get there, but obviously it's not gonna happen. So we're gonna do it tomorrow early, not early, as long as we have time tomorrow. Well, we're gonna do it tomorrow before we go back here. Huh?
Stays in the lane.
Yeah, don't play with that.
I can see Mark.
Oh,
Goes this way, now goes this side. Push that way.
Ani, oi!
Staying in the lane, though. Doing a reveal. Look. Oh, no hands.
Hand free, I'm going to sleep.
Look at hands-free driving. Now I can use my hands to make phone calls and text.
Yeah, hun. It's God, hun. It's dangerous.
Prepare to exit the highway in 2 miles onto US 202.
I refuse.
Oh, US 202.
Drifting and we're going to see if the car will not let us steer on.
Dad, it's not this curve.
Yeah, it does want curves too. What? We'll make sure no cars on here.
Shit. Holy cow, hun.
Works on curves, huh? As long as there's a line, it works.
Yeah, but if the camera is dirty and can't see the line, you're
Thing here is the eyesight fails.
oh, gee. What is it, a motorcycle game? I'm really not motorcycle. Okay, we're stopping at Walmart, guys, and there is cups right here. Cups right there. 2 cups in one for heating 1 car. 2 cups. That's what it is. Okay, I'm gonna get my jacket, my coat, guys. It's raining like crazy.
Those from, I think the chicken poppers.
Chicken poppers. Probably this is the good one. That
like
one.
20 jalapeno poppers. What do you want?
I think this is the good one than what you got over there in the cart. This one. You rather put that back and then get this one. Yeah.
You want those?
No, instead of the other one.
Why? Alright.
He can't find what he's looking for. It's right there. I don't know.
Night is cold, but your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do.
This is a new product. I figured I'd give it a try. I like Keith's product, so
Yeah.
let's try it.
Anyway, guys, we just get out from Walmart. Somebody behind you. You open your window.
Yes. We turn left, right here, so we gotta turn left.
Yeah. Actually, I like this kind of thing. I like this
Cow
kind.
neck?
Yeah, it's can help my neck, hon.
Yes, it helps.
For the
it helps
cold?
keep you warm, and it doesn't. It's not like a turtleneck that squeezes on your neck.
Yeah, this is really nice. I need to get more of this for next winter though, because it's really comfortable. Because I usually
And you can push it up when it's windy out.
Yeah.
To your nose.
yeah, I like it. This is this is from my sister-in-law that she doesn't, you know, we give a lot of donation. They give a lot of donation, and before she throw it out, I got it because they have a lot of winter stuff. You guys, you have a lot of winter stuff, and then you know that never wear for a long time, and you give it away. So I'm collecting it for me. I've been here for like almost 9 years, guys. It's coming, you know, I'm already almost 9 years, very close. But I never have like this. I don't know.
It seems like your style. You don't particularly like styles that come up your neck.
This one is lost. I like it. It's like, you know, just out from your chin, you know.
I'm taking you out. You could pick some.
I mean, we get out. You buy me a butterfly jeans. That is like, huh?
I like it. You don't like my taste.
That's when I first got here, guys. That your windshield hand is really fast and it's dragging that thing, the window. We're here. Lagay ko lang itong mga nabili namin sa refrigerator. Lalo na yung nabili ko from Asian store na mga frozen fish. I need that to be simple. I got okra for my husband. He loves okra.
He hates
Okra, guys, okra.
Did you really buy okra?
Yeah, for you. Han, I want you to try it.
Hon, I don't like okra.
Okra.
Not okra, it's okra.
I know it's okra, Han.
Well, I don't like it.
You never try one, so
Did you open it before or was it open?
I opened it before I go. That the heat, whatever heat, it's like scattered everywhere. Oh, you know what, guys? You know what I got also? I got the fil-am ginisang bagoong also, guys. I wanna try this. And I got the spicy chili. And I got another. This is a different pancake, guys. The Aunt Jemima. Because we don't go to Costco, so that's why we got that. Different kind of juice. Oh my God, hon, we don't have the space over here. Half and half, and look, you got different kind. You know how many you got here?
I don't know.
God, look, oh. I don't know if the milk is still good.
This is a milk from before?
No, the over here, the before, oh, it's still almost full.
Oh. January 6th.
January 6th? No, sometimes it's good. This refrigerator is good.
And it has calories. Probably not.
No, it's still good. Put it there. Oh, it's kind of mushy.
Kilos on time.
Freezer? Freezer?
Yes.
You sure?
Jalapeno?
Okay. I still don't know what I'm gonna...
You're good.
No. I'm cutting vegetables. And I forgot that my video about the part 1 and part 2, I forgot that I have to upload the part 2 because it's really long. And in the old house, guys, the internet was really good, like very fast, like 20 minutes before to upload the video, but it takes now an hour and a half or an hour. If it's really long, like, you know, 20 minutes above video, it's like almost 2 hours to upload the video. That's why I decided to cut those video into, I made a part 1 and part 2. It takes forever to upload the video. Okay. The water is brown, guys, because of the eggplant. I put the eggplant here before.
So brown because she took the water out of the toilet bowl after she pooped it.
What? Ay, Jihan, this is our food.
That's how water is brown.
Yeah. So this one is just saute with the garlic and onion, and then put the vegetables. The one that is cooked longer because it cooked longer. I don't know why it cooked longer, so you put that first. And that's how I cook vegetable, Filipino style.
Pokemon Go. The Pokemon Go.
I don't know, guy, what's going on.
Kikoman.
Pokemon.
Not Pokemon. Kikoman.
Kikoman.
Pokemon. Pokemon is a character. Remember, it's coming from the person who uses Pokemon.
Guys, oh, holy cow. My thing is done. Downloading is done. And I'm just...
Pokemon is done.
Ay, honey, oi.
Oi is done.
And I'm just gonna put it live, and then that's it. Fil-am ginisang bagoong, guys. If you can find this in your Asian store, the sauteed shrimp fry. Yeah, this one here. So, did you guys try the bagoong in the Philippines? That the small can? Just it smells like that, guys. It smells just the same thing, and very garlicky. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat that. Naglalaway na ako. Naglalaway na si Akitsi.
I'm looking for a...
Looking for what? What are you looking for?
For a channel called
Huh?
A channel called Decades.
Decades? Never heard of that. Decades.
Supposedly Time Warner has it. Apple does not, but supposedly Time Warner does.
Okay. Did you see our new curtains? Black and white? Our red and white? That's all tablecloth. Because there's no blinds. So in the dark, in the night, the TV is on, people can see us inside.
Because there's always people hanging out in the backyard.
Yeah, huh? There's a lot in there. Every night. Red eyes. Yeah, there's a lot of red eyes. See you later, guys. Do you wanna see? Do you wanna see? Do you wanna see? Look. Oh my god, it's so yummy. So yummy. Yun, spicy na siya. Sukang pinakurat. Hi, it's still raining snow outside, guys. Our back porch is already have a little slushy out there. You know why it's slushy? Because it's wet snow. Hi guys, we just had our dinner. And my head is killing me, and I took Advil. And Tommy's right there. He has a headache too. And what's behind me is the fireplace. It feels so good. Feels so good. Night, hon. Okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching, and I will see you in next vlog. What time is it, hon, over there?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog early. Well, it's not early, it's 8 o'clock bedtime. Now we're just gonna watch 2.5 Men and relax. Wow, Judith is very young in here. They're both young. Anyway, good night guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Oh, did you watch this morning, hon? The video? The one that with the woman.